go again.
I demand more!
I want you to have that sort of funky, awkward kind of look.
I know what you mean.
Yeah, that's great. Perfect. And maybe a hand up. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, do that with both. Yeah, perfect. Very bright and nice. Oh yeah! Now we're gonna work some fun into it. Okay, ready? And I want knees in the air, like, you know, sideways. Cool. 1, 2, go. Nice. And do it with your hands kind of tucked in if you can, because I have a confined space to work with. Cool. Ready? 1, 2, go. Oh yeah! That was very cool. Love it. Do it a couple times. 1, 2, go. Nice. Big, fun, crazy expression. 1, 2, go. So, LeRoy.
Yes.
She's doing awesome. I'm just shooting with a Nikon D850. Nice high resolution. It's going to give us some beautiful pixels to work with when she does any retouching. And using AlienBees flashes, a bunch of different light modifiers as you've seen. I'm primarily shooting at f8. You know, it's about the sweet spot of the lens. We don't need to worry about depth of field. I'm using ISO 100, give me the best quality possible. And also shutter speed is a moot point. I'm using ISO a shutter speed of 1/200th of a second, but when you're primarily lighting with flash only, the shutter speed doesn't play into the exposure. So it's just I could shoot at 1/60th, I could shoot at 1/200th. It's not going to change anything. It's a beautiful lens. Love my 70-200. It's beautiful.
That is your go-to lens, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So getting back to that flash shutter speed thing, would you say the flash duration of the flash is what controls your shutter speed?
Absolutely.
Basically, these strobes are popping off at like 1/8,000th of a second.
1/8,000th, 1/10,000th of a
Yeah.
second, depending on how you hide it. So you
There we have that. Hello.
Let's do, can you turn around away from me and give me a lot of goofy, funny expressions like that as you spin towards me. Here we go, 1, 2, and go. Nice. And do one with while you're hugging yourself at the same time and spinning.
Like jumping.
Yes, exactly. 1, 2, go. Nice. That was good. Do a couple of those. Love it. Go the other direction. You're going to be doing ninja moves soon. All right, you're moving away from me. Come back just a hair. Love it right there. All right, ready? 1, 2, go. Nice. Almost like half like I got wronged, you know. I'm just kind of excellent. Shoulders back and really tight. Be powerful, strong. Perfect. You're doing fantastic. I love that your personality's coming out. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Keep working it. We'll bring it down a notch, but keep it a little playful, a little bit light. Yeah, that's great. Keep working with the rim. Perfect. Oh, that was playful. I like it. Those are awesome.
Yay!
Nice. Just a little more squint. Bam. I love that one. Awesome. These are looking fantastic. Give us some negative space on these. Very good. I switched to 3/4 length, so that fills the frame a little bit for us.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, I love those. Do you want to do some on the blue? I want to try something with some color. So do the blue jeans skirt, maybe.
Okay, while he's doing that, talk to me.
I'm Abby Meeker. I'm from Savannah, Georgia, but
Yeah?
I currently live in New York. I'm modeling with Elite New York City, and I'm
No
loving
way.
it. Yes,
No
way.
way.
Yes,
Awesome.
It's awesome. Aspirations, I don't know. Anywhere the world takes me.
Right.
Honestly, New York is crazy but fun.
Yeah, yeah.
There's always stuff to do. If you're bored at 3 a.m., you can just walk to a
Get a
restaurant.
slice of pizza at 3 a.m.
Exactly.
Yeah.
99-cent pizza is the best pizza in the world. I use the subway a lot, just really fast to get places. But
Right.
I also use like this app called VRII, which is awesome.
Have you met Casey yet? Casey Neistat. Do you know who he is? YouTube vlogger Casey Neistat.
Actually, I think I've heard of him.
And Chris, that is where Chris Smith has his own YouTube channel. Chris, tell me about it. What is your YouTube channel?
ChrisandCammy.com, of course, and we'll probably have a video of Abby up. Yeah,
Bam!
check it out.
Alrighty then. We're having a blast at Pixel Studios on a Saturday morning. We got Mr. Chris Smith in the house, and we have Miss Abby
Meeker.
Meeker.
Oh, I like the jacket over your shoulder, actually.
That's
Drop,
kind of
drop it
fun.
on both sides. Nice, very cool. Excellent. Maybe play with one hand up and one hand straight out. Yep. Great. I like that you're working to the light, which is on this side. That's perfect. You need to do the walk like an Egyptian. So there's the other light. It's a much harsher,
Yeah.
hard kind of look. So it's a different feel.
Right, of course.
Just show the agent and
Yeah.
the agency and let them choose.
Do you know when you might have these pictures by me?
2 or 3 months.